Hi, my name is Jim Sherry. I'm a projects director with Mott MacDonald in Dublin, in Ireland. I recently, with help from my colleagues, drafted a paper called Digital Engineering Enables Multinational Input on Bergen's light rail extension in Norway for the Civil Engineering magazine. I was project manager on a significant aspect of the project, but was supported by a large number of colleagues for that project. The project for us ran from 2012 to the end of 2016. It's now up and running, and we believe running successfully. This project was a follow-on to earlier phases of the same overall light rail project in Bergen. While the initial planning went on for some years, the construction of the overall light rail commenced in 2007. The original intent, and still is, was to alleviate developing traffic congestion in Bergen and to thereby reduce emissions. The aspiration with the overall infrastructure was based on the 2005 to 2025 Bergen Programme for Transportation, and that aspiration was to have the light rail system within walking distance of 50% of the houses and 80% of the workplaces. It's perhaps worth noting that the overall light rail infrastructure is part funded by a portion of the local road toll charges. The phase 1 was complete and phase 2 was underway when our phase 3 project started, and planning for stage 4 is currently ongoing, and I note that the client now requires the extended use of 3D models throughout all phases of the project.
And what was one of the key innovations in the delivery of this project?
For us, one of the key innovations was the desk-to-digger approach, which we used as much as practicable. This meant that, especially for excavation and below ground works, the engineering models were used directly for construction and in construction equipment where practicable. It was quite interesting to watch the excavation machinery and other equipment using onboard computer screens to show the actual work scope, existing services, and other aspects of the project around it. The programme for us was the appointment of Mott MacDonald in late December 2011, with the light rail system having a target of going into commercial operation in Q3 of 2016. That was achieved with commercial operation commencing on the 16th of August in 2016, and I must say that was thanks to a strong, positive collaboration environment between the client, the designer, and the various contractors. Key challenge for us was the actual logistics of dealing with the design team, which was spread across more than 10 offices in 7 countries. This spread of key resources allowed us to allocate the best resource for each aspect of the project. However, the use of digital engineering from the outset enabled the efficient working by those widespread resources. During the project, people sharing live 3D models across different offices, enabled by very good quality internet connectivity, was standard. That included working with and sharing with the client's team in Bergen and the contractors in Bergen. It was quite common for people from 4, 5, 6 different offices to be linked into the same call with the same screen sharing and different people working with and manipulating the 3D model. It was something really to be seen. Is the end product. The digital engineering was an enabling tool, but the end product is what it's all about. We believe that Bergen now has a technically excellent light rail system, and we believe that there is very good architecture and interface with the urban realm provided by that project.